I have Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime, and let me show you how to reset settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, tap apps, find and select the settings. Scroll down and simply choose here the general management, tap reset and choose reset settings. So if you would like to restore the factory default settings of your device, let's choose reset settings, and to confirm the operation, let's tap reset settings again. So the device is returning to the default settings. Let's wait until the whole process will be completed. Excellent. Now you can unlock the device and use the Samsung Galaxy J3 Prime with the default settings. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.